If you are aiming for Canada immigration, you might already know that your CLB score, not your IELTS band, is what really decides your eligibility. CLB or Canadian Language Benchmark is the standard the Canadian government uses to measure language skills. Hello all and welcome back to our channel. Today, I'll walk you step by step through how to use TerraTern's free IELTS to CLB converter to check your level and open doors to your Canadian dreams. But first, if you're new here, hit that subscribe button because here we make moving abroad simple, fast, and actually fun. First, quick crash course. IELTS give you individual scores in listening, reading, writing, and speaking. CLB is a Canadian scale that matches those scores into levels from CLB 1 to CLB 12. Higher CLB equals higher immigration points equals better chances of Canadian PR. But converting manually, it's a total headache. That's where TerraTern's tool comes in. Alright, here's how you use it. Step 1. Head over to the TerraTern's IELTS to CLB converter page. Link you'll find in the description. Step 2. Enter your IELTS score for listening, reading, writing, and speaking. Step 3. Click on Convert Now. Step 4. Instantly, you'll see your CLB level for each module, plus your overall benchmark. Simple, right? For example, if you scored a 7.5 in listening, 7 in reading, 6.5 in writing, and 7 in speaking, TerraTern's converter will map it properly to your correct CLB levels. You'll immediately know if you qualify for express entry, provincial nominee programs, or if you need to retake IELTS to boost your score. Now, why does this small tool matter so much? Because if you assume your IELTS score equals the required CLB without checking, you might miss your PR eligibility by just 1 point. Apply under the wrong immigration program, waste months and a lot of money. A small miscalculation can delay your Canadian dreams by a year or more. And if you want to go a step further, TerraTern's experts can not only help you calculate your exact scores, but also build your full immigration profile, improve your CLB if needed, and file your application with 100% accuracy. Because at TerraTern, moving abroad isn't just paperwork, it's personal. Book your free consultation today with the link in the description. Hope this video helped you understand your scores better. Hit that like button if you found this useful. Share it with your friends who want to go to Canada and subscribe for more real-world immigration updates. Catch you in the next video. Bye-bye.